Hi guys, today I want to prepare the first video of the homemade mask with me. Let's prepare together a rejuvenating peeling mask that is great for rejecting acne and dark spots and for skin freshness. Let's prepare it together. For this mask, we need 4 ingredients that are found in all homes. 2 teaspoons of coffee that you can make from espresso or Turkish coffee you make at home. Use. Coffee is a very powerful exfoliator and lightens your skin and gives your skin a special glow. 1 teaspoon of rice flour, which you know is a powerful peel and has a variety of B vitamins. A teaspoon of honey that needs to be cladded and tightens the skin, and a very good skin restorer. And at the end, a teaspoon of lemon. Try to use fresh lemon. That is a very strong exfoliator and lightens your skin. And most importantly, your skin will shrink so after we've made our mask for 15 minutes. We put it on, wash our skin after 15 minutes, and then we see the result. I hope you like this mask.